Irina, ito yung way going to Teens. Tara F. I don't know kasi which garden eh. Wala naman yatang ganun dito. Pero ito, this is from the entrance going to Teen. Ayan, go F. Faster. Straight lang from the gate. Tapos right.
Turn right. And you will see people jogging.
Okay, muna kwento yun.
Beda.
Ayan, turn right and then left. Paikot lang siya eh.
Yan landmark yan.
Ito yung ano, pang ilang tree ba? Galing sa corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th tree.
Well, kapag may nakita siyang Ford Fiera, mag-park na siya.
Okay, tama. Ayan, pag nakita mo tong blue,
Nabulok na Ford Fiera.
oo, na Fiera. Ay, yung katapat niyan yung kay Tin. There. Ayan na yung Tin.
There you go.
Habang nasa